All right, we're mashing up our 4 ripe bananas in our greased 9x13. That looks good for now. We're gonna put that to the side and bring in our sweetened condensed milk, and we're gonna add this whole 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk right into our dish with our mashed bananas. This is such an easy and delicious dessert for all those people that love bananas because it is so banana forward and so tasty. So we're gonna get that whole can out of there. We don't want any of that sweetened condensed milk left behind. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for this dessert. It is great for just a yummy little sweet treat that you want to make super quick. Beautiful. All right, now I'm coming in with my vanilla extract, and we're gonna add a teaspoon of our vanilla extract right into our pan with our bananas and our sweetened condensed milk. You can use almond extract if that's what you prefer, but I think vanilla goes great with this. We're switching to a spatula, and we're gonna get all of these mixed together. We can even kind of keep on mashing those bananas if you feel like they need some more mashing. This is kind of like a combination between banana bread and a crumbled cake. It is so yummy, so easy to make. Everyone that I've ever made this for absolutely loves it. They beg me to make it for them. I can't make it too often though because my husband is allergic to bananas, so I can only make it when we have guests coming over that I know can enjoy this dish. So let's make sure we get this fully mixed. It looks beautiful. It's okay if we still have some banana lumps, that's no problem. Now I'm gonna come in with my pecan pieces, and we're gonna do a light sprinkle of these right on top. You wanna make sure you save some for the toppings at the end, but I think a nice little sprinkle just adds a great crunch to this, and I think pecans and banana are a great combination. Beautiful. All right, now for the fun part, I have this Dolly Parton cinnamon swirl crumbled cake, and it comes with 2 different little packages. We're gonna start off with this white cake mixture, and we're gonna put that right on top of our entire pan. Make sure to evenly spread that out. You might need to use your hands. Don't worry, my hands are clean. So let's get this right on top of here. It smells delicious already. Cannot wait to get this cooking. All right, once we have that on there, we're just gonna kind of give it a light little brush. We want to make sure that it's one flat layer. There's no lumps or, unevenness in our cake. Oh, that looks so good.
Yummy.
Perfect. All right, now I have a 1.5 sticks of melted butter that we're gonna drizzle on top of this cake mix. You can do butter pats if that's what you prefer, but this kind of gives a little bit of a better coating for our cake mix. And this is kind of similar to like a dump cake, but it's even better because we're using that cinnamon swirl mix and we're using bananas. Oh my gosh. And of course, everything tastes good when it has sweetened condensed milk in it. So once we have that on there, we're gonna finally bring in our cinnamon mixture that came with our cake mix, and we're gonna sprinkle that right on top. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so good. And you can add as much or as little of this cinnamon mixture as you like. I think I'm gonna add about half of that, and you can just save that for some donuts or something. But this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 375, and it's gonna be in there for 45 to 50 minutes. All right. We took this out of the oven and we let it sit for about 10 minutes. Now this is not complete without a little bit of caramel sauce. And this is obviously optional, but I'm just gonna dip my fork in and kind of just do like some, I need more than that. We're gonna do a little bit of swirlies on here because banana and caramel are like best friends, and I had to add this. Yummy. Serve this up, and this is a spoon and bowl kind of dessert, so let's dig in. Oh, that crust is perfectly cooked. Oh my goodness. Oh, that looks so good. I think I need more than that though, right babe?
Yeah, I didn't get to see it though.
Ooh. All right, we're gonna put this to the side. I have some Ready Whip. And then I saved an extra couple of pecans to put on top. And this dessert is ready. We have the mushy, delicious sweet bananas on the bottom, the crumble with the pecans, and that cinnamon, and then a little bit of caramel. This is gonna be heaven.
Is it good?
That is absolutely insane. This is like the best thing I've ever had in my life. You have to try it.